Hey guys, HW. Finished up with the conference in Orlando, and today was on the. I was on. Start again. Today I was on the road. I was on I-95 heading down to Miami Beach, which was like the start of my private holiday. Now I've decided I'm only going to make snippets of this trip around the States. So they'll only be little short videos, so I'll either do them separately or stick them together. So I just finished dinner over at that Drexel over the road over there, which was quite nice. And now I'm in Espanol Way, which is in Miami Beach. And I'll film a little bit of the action down here for you. So I'm in Espanol Way, and we've been walking up and down here tonight. We went and had a look at the beach before as it was getting dark. Walked out onto Miami Beach and stuck my hoofs in the sand. Had a bit of a look around. And as you can see, this place is pretty lively. There's restaurants all the way up and down the street. We're staying at this little boutique hotel, which I'll show you in a minute, called the Esme, or Esme. So far enjoying Miami Beach. I'll film a little bit tonight, a little bit more tonight if I can, and then I hit the road again tomorrow. We're heading down to Key West, so stick around and come get around the action with HW in Florida. So here we are out on the main strip now. You can see the Espanol Way sign up there. This will give you an idea of where the hotel's located. Just here, Esme. We're in the Art Deco region of Miami Beach if you're interested. I'll show you in the hotel later, but just after dinner we decided we're going to go into sort of one of the back bars in the Esme here and listen to a bit of live music. So I might ask the maitre d' if I can film a little bit in there. If not, I'll probably catch her for a little room tour. See you again soon. Let's have a quick look down the strip here first. So HW in Miami. Who would have thought? Here's the foyer of the Esme off the main strip. It's a bunch of staircases here. There's a number of buildings. It goes down the whole block almost of the Espanol Way. This little fire in the foyer. Now I'm using 60 frames per second, so in the dark it's probably going to struggle a bit, but there's the bell desk over there, or the front desk. Alright, we're back in Espanol Way in Miami Beach, and we're going to walk down Espanol Way while HW searches for a nectar. I need a couple of nectars stat. My travelling buddy still in bed. It's 10 a.m. So this is what it looks like at 10 a.m. on Espanol Way. It's a stark contrast to all the action we saw last night on this street. So let's get searching for that nectar. People having breakfast over there. Let's talk over this music. So I come past here. Not only that, catching up. Imagine playing that louder music first thing in the morning. I'm not sure I'm happy with that, as I'm still exhausted myself, and it's still going. How can I get past this music? I can't believe it. And there's another entrance to Esme, where we stayed last night. looks like they're all already getting ready, setting up for lunch. Oh, there's the sign for Espanol away. Here we go. Surf shop's open. Now I see a Cuban style coffee shop down here, but I don't fancy it, so I'm going to go a bit further down. Here we are, standing out on the medium strip while I wait for my nectar from the lifeguard across the road there. That's the coffee shop I went to, mainly because it had lattes. I just purchased the 2 lattes. There's my receipt, $10.59, which I just realised I converted the wrong way, so let me do it again. So $16 Australian for 2 coffees. Not the cheapest nectars in the world, but I need this stat. Got to hit the Frog and Toad today down the highway down to or the interstate down to all the way down to Key West.